Hon Peter Mayen Majongdit, leader of the other political parties, OPP. Photo, courtesy. According to the other political parties, OPP, a signatory to the peace agreement, the current state of the R-ARCSS implementation demands a new, decisive and inclusive approach. By Chuol Chanyong, leader of the other political parties, OPP. Hon Peter Mayen Majongdit has called for an inclusive platform for dialogue among the parties to the 2018 peace agreement, in what Honourable Mayen described as the Juba Initiative for parties to R-ARCSS. The umbrella of political parties said the current state of the R-ARCSS implementation demands a new, decisive and inclusive approach. The Juba Initiative does not aim to renegotiate the agreement, but rather to review pending issues and overcome obstacles. Majongdit emphasized that the country is facing a critical phase, especially as the second and final extension of the transitional period nears its end. He pointed out that the agreement was designed to lay the foundations for a democratic transition through end-of-term elections and to address issues of security, governance and justice. However, its implementation remains significantly stalled, particularly in the security sector. He warned of escalating senseless conflicts in various regions of the country, stressing that dialogue is the only way to save the government from losing its legitimacy. We in the other political parties bloc believe that, regardless of grievances, there must be a platform for dialogue and negotiation. He called on all parties to the agreement to sit at the dialogue table under the umbrella of the Juba Initiative to address the stalled implementation of the agreement. He emphasized the need to cease hostilities, commit to the ceasefire agreement, and uphold it as the foundation for security arrangements. He also urged support from the international and regional community, including the African Union, to ensure the parties return to negotiations and overcome technical obstacles without renegotiating the terms of the current agreement. We call on all the people of South Sudan to urge their leaders to adopt this initiative, as the future requires unity and solidarity to ensure a successful transition. The OPP stated that the Juba Initiative of parties serves as an urgent and necessary platform for dialogue for various compelling reasons, including to arrest the current dangerous trajectory, to rebuild trust and recommit to the R-ARCSS, access fundamental obstacles to implementation, reinvigorate the role of stakeholders, generate a new roadmap for accelerated implementation towards elections, respond to the aspirations of the South Sudanese people and to reassure regional and international partners. This statement comes at a time when the country is witnessing rising tensions, amid fears of the peace process collapsing if serious steps are not taken in the remaining months of the transitional period.